Alright, so we actually just came up from down here with all that brush and weeds and stuff. This is actually the little trail that comes up, but we missed that. So we came up the hard way and then came up this way. And this goes through here. And I believe that I'm on the trail. We'll walk right through here. All these rocks and everything. Climb up. Yeah. And the trail's right there. Going that way, but here, let's just get a look at our view from up here now. There you go. There's the river. You see that white water there? Back to that housing community. Of course, snow-capped mountains in the distance back there. And over there. And the water. So let's continue on our way and see what else we can get into. Okay, I came down off the trail down here by the water. Started this way, show you these big rocks and water. But the real thing that I want you to see is right over there. Some little waterfalls coming off all them rocks. Hopefully it's coming through with this GoPro. Looks pretty nice, I think. Alright, been walking uphill some, and we still got this to go. So let's walk this together. Just to show you that we can. These cameras never show this stuff as steep as what it really is, but I can promise you it's pretty steep. And then, see, here's a little sitting place over here. And this is, I believe, I'm being told to go over here. So let's go get us a look out and see what we can see. Obviously the river is there in front of us now. See the mountains out there. You can probably hear the water by now. Whew. See down there, it's just running smooth here. It's a little bit of rapids right over there, but it's mostly smooth here. Some tiny rapids down there. And on beyond, that big house should be familiar to you by now. So we're getting closer. Okay, so now we just actually ended on the new trail that we hadn't walked on before. This is the old trail that we walked on the last walk, so you've seen this. So I won't show any more of this until we get back to the bridge, which ain't all that far. But just wanted to show you some of this. And here, I'll just give you a shot of the river from here. It ain't much, but it's what we got. So once we get back to the bridge, shoot just a second of that, and then we'll close this video out. So thanks for coming along with us. Alright, so we're at the end of the trail. Just like I promised. And I don't mind to tell you, I'm tired. This has been a really good walk. But it's taken all of my strength. But here's the bridge right here that you've seen on the last video. And the water's down here below us. Take a look at that. And there's a whole ton of people down there as well. There you go. Good look at the water, mountains, the bridge, and right up there's the FJ. It's the very first vehicle in that parking lot. I don't know if you can see it, that tree's blocking it now, but it's where we're heading. And it's also supposed to be a disc golf course here. Actually, we'll go check that out first, see if we can find it. There will be more of this, so stay tuned because we got a little surprise to add. Okay, so I told you there'd be another surprise, and this surprise is down St. Elmo. We're up here in the snow, and we're at the back end of it. You see all this snow here, but it's very hard snow. I won't even want to go down into it, but much deeper than that. And if you've ever been here, then you know that these row of houses are on the back end. You can see the snow up on the roof. See, the sky on this section is definitely beautiful though. Over there, water is actually running. You should be able to hear that. And then you see this house here is partly buried underneath the snow. So pretty wild. Let's walk on down here. You can see in front of us down here is somebody's snowmobile. You see the snow through here? See that? All piled up. That's got to be a foot deep, I'd say, up there against that door. And it's not really too bad here. It's about 45 degrees right now, which does not feel bad at all. There's a snowmobile, by the way, Panther. And that old building. And this little pink building. Alright. You have Jay there. A lot of mud in here. So these old buildings here. A little bit of snow, and then it's that old church building there. Got some snow up on the roof, but a lot of it slid off. You can see a lot of this is muddy. See? But right over here, snow and ice. Building. Ooh, that wind is blowing behind me and it's cold. Whew. See all this snow here? That's a lot. I'm walking on ice now. There's that building. You see the snow. See if I can get out of the road here without getting killed. How you doing? Doing good, just cold. Okay, so got some kind of things there, I don't know what. And then see that rock building. Down here, of course, is the general store, and this place down here on the right was a B&B. I guess it still is. It'd sure be cold, and you'd sure have hard winters living up here. I can tell you that. But we actually came up here to feed the chipmunks and things, as we've done in the times past. And this is the area, and it is completely snowed in, that I assume a snowplow has pushed all this snow and covered everything up. This is the area. Yeah, these are the benches and stuff, but it's completely covered up with snow and ice. across the street is the St. Elmo General Store. You can see it says Miners Exchange still. You can see they got it completely boarded up, I guess for snow, to not break the windows. They'll reopen on Mother's Day weekend 2018. So here, if you want to read this. You can pause all that, of course, and read that. Please drive slower. Chipmunks don't know one nut from another. That's funny. Yeah, this place here, like I said, I know at least this was a B&B, but I assume that it still is. And they keep it cleaned off and stuff, so I'd say it's a pretty good sign. And speaking of signs, let's go. Yeah, it says guest house on it. It says Ghost Town Guest House. So there you go. That's it. And then here's looking back up through the town again. So we're gonna go up and get ready to head out of here, and I'll try to shoot a little bit as we go down the road to show you the snow and the ice is coming up here. A little treacherous. So we'll do that, and then we'll close this video out. Alright, so here we are going down the road. If you look over there to the side, you can see there's quite a bit of snow here. The road is snow-packed with snow and ice. And again, you can see that over there. And then look out my window. Give you a little shot of that. Good bit of snow. And then right out front again. So you can see, I mean, it's just the day after Thanksgiving, so it's November 24th, 2017 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It'll be dark in exactly 2 hours. At 5 o'clock, it's pitch dark now. And we have seen all kinds of traffic coming up this road. Now, what little bit we've traveled now, there's none, but there has been quite a bit. So see, there is snow in parts of Colorado. You can look in my side view mirror here. You see there's somebody back there behind me. Here comes somebody right here. We already had a Hummer go up a minute ago. And now, but you can see right here, the road's going to turn into some. So for some reason, my GoPro likes to take itself out whenever I use any word that seems to start with the word S that it can interpret to be the STOP word. But yeah, you can see this part of the road here is just muddy and wet. And then right around this curve, you can see it's getting all snowy and icy again. And it does this a number of times, and then look out there and see all the snow on the rocks and on the ground. And back, you can see the road is completely covered again. That vehicle's still behind me back there, and there's the side. Looking out the driver's side. You can while I'm driving. So, pretty crazy. See what else we can see down the road. Now if you look in my side view mirror there, hopefully that's coming through. Those two are literally on top of each other and just about on top of me. And right there the speed limit tells you it's 15 and I'm doing 20 myself. So just goes to show you, you've always got stupid people. But we keep going down the road. Oh yeah, and over there's the lake. It's always hard to see through the trees in the summer. You can see it's got a lot of ice on it. So hopefully that's coming through. Alright, so I just pulled over. We're back down around 9,000 feet. This is called Cascade Falls. You see see it going down through there. It's quite windy. Hopefully my voice is being picked up. As you can see right up here, it says Cascade Falls Viewpoint. So, right there's some more of it. See that? Pretty nice, huh? And as we walk on up, see there's a lot more. And around the bend it goes. So, way on up through there. So this is Cascade Falls. Pretty neat. Let me get you a little bit of slow motion going. So here I'll shoot several shots, and we'll make sure we get these in really good slow motion.